This is a quick video to introduce you to the Creative Commons search, which is a great way to find images that can be useful for your different licensed images that you're allowed to use. Creative Commons has a very basic search, a basic search box where you can type in what you're looking for. So I'm going to follow along with my sloths example. And there are options underneath for you to limit to something that you can use for commercial purposes or something that you can modify or adapt. And those are related to those different Creative Commons licenses. Remember that commercial purposes is something that you can use to help make money, so part of a logo for a store or something like that. And modify or adapt, you're allowed to mess around with the images, use it to create a collage or to kind of remix it. I'm not going to click those right now, but those are options for you. So I'm just going to do a regular search for sloths. Lots of cute sloths showing up. So there are options on the left where you can limit to a particular license. And they do have the sort of the BY means that you have to provide attribution. SA is share alike, so these are kind of the abbreviations for the different types of licensing, and that Creative Commons 0 and public domain mean that you don't have to provide attribution. The all sources allow you to limit if you only wanted to find things from Flickr or another source like the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Image type, you can find photographs, illustrations, or digitized artworks. File type lets you decide whether you're going to have different types of file types. Typically, JPEGs, PNGs, and GIFs are typical file types for images. SVGs, you can't use them in as many places, so you might not want SVGs. Same thing with the aspect ratio, whether you want it tall, wide, or square, and the image size. So I'm going to just pick a picture of a sloth. I'm going to click on it. Kind of blurry picture, but just as an example. So this blurry picture of a sloth, if you scroll down just a little bit, there is an image attribution right here. So you can see it has the title, it has the creator, and it has the license. So if you needed to create an attribution for this, you can just copy the rich text. You don't have to do anything more. There also is HTML. When you're doing things in this class, you're going to want to copy the rich text, but if you're putting something on a web page, you can use this HTML and put it in the HTML. You can also find information here, the info, if you want to find a little bit more about the source, the dimensions, and you can share it. So very quick and easy. Creative Commons is a great way to quickly find free to use images that may have certain types of limitations.